Panasonic's most recent addition, the Lumix S9, is an excellent option for those seeking a compact yet powerful camera. It is equipped with a full-frame sensor that produces stunning images in low-light conditions, all within an extremely compact body. This implies that you can eliminate the cumbersome DSLR and still obtain professional quality images and videos that are ideal for content creators who are on the go. That is quite intriguing. Let us delve further to determine whether it is suitable for your requirements. Let's start with one of the coolest features of the Lumix S9, which is the real-time LUT. This allows you to apply signature color presets directly in camera. This means your photos and videos will look polished right out of the camera. Whether you're just starting or already a pro, real-time LUTs available through the Lumix Lab app. Make your content look top-notch with minimal effort. Plus, you can create your own LUTs, adding a personal touch to your creations. Speaking of amazing features, let's dive into the Lumix S9 performance in low light. We all know how tricky low light conditions can be, but the Lumix S9 handles it very well. Thanks to its full-frame sensor, you get exceptional image clarity even when the lighting isn't great. Also, you won't have to worry about grainy or blurry images anymore. This camera ensures your content is always crisp and clear, making your low-light shots look fantastic. If you're a social media enthusiast, this next feature is going to save you a lot of time and effort. Forget the hassle of resizing and cropping for each platform. The Lumix S9 understands the content creator's life. With its flexible framing options, you can capture a single shot and effortlessly adapt it to the specific aspect ratios of Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. This means no more sacrificing details or compromising quality. Just shoot your scene and let the Lumix S9 handle the rest, ensuring your content looks fantastic across all your social media channels. Now let's talk about the heart of this camera. The Lumix S9 packs professional-grade features in a compact body, perfect for content creators. At its heart is a 24.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, delivering high-resolution images with stunning detail and dynamic range, whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or action shots. For videography enthusiasts, it offers impressive 6K 30p recording and C4K by 4K 60p support, ensuring your videos are sharp, detailed, and ready for any platform. For those who love to get creative with videography, the Lumix S9 has you covered. Its crop and hybrid zoom feature extends the zoom range of both photos and videos. This means you can capture distant subjects with clarity, even if you only have one lens. The hybrid zoom combines optical and digital zooming, giving you more FX flexibility in your compositions. Plus, it has an active as mode, which helps keep your footage smooth in any situation. This feature is ideal for handheld shooting or when you're on the move. And yes, shaky hands or movements are no longer an issue with the Lumix S9. Its 5-axis sensor shift image stabilization ensures your photos and videos stay steady and smooth. This is especially useful for handheld shooting, where keeping the camera stable can be tough. The powerful stabilization system compensates for any shakes, giving you clear and steady results every time. Just when you thought it couldn't get any better, Panasonic introduces ultra-compact lenses tailored for the Lumix S9. The Lumix S26mm f8 is thin and lightweight, perfect for spontaneous moments and easy to carry like a lens cap. It's great for quick snaps whether you're on the go or capturing everyday moments. The Lumix 18-40mm f4.5-6 is a versatile compact zoom lens, ideal for daily use, with focal lengths ranging from 18mm for wide-angle shots to 40mm for natural portraits. It offers flexibility for various snapshots without needing to change lenses. Both lenses enhance convenience and versatility, making them excellent additions to your kit. Alright, let's face it. Sharing content can sometimes be a hassle. Not with the Lumix S9. This camera makes transferring your photos and videos to your smartphone a breeze. With the Lumix Lab app and ultra-fast Wi-Fi, every stunning shot you take is quickly available on your phone. This means from capturing to posting, it can take just 30 seconds. So, you can keep your followers engaged with fresh content without breaking a sweat. No more delays, just quick and easy sharing. Finally, don't you just hate lugging around bulky gear? If so, then the Lumix S9 could be your answer. Despite its compact size, it's packed with professional-grade features. This makes it the perfect everyday companion. You can slip it into your bag and take it anywhere, whether you're capturing spontaneous street scenes or carefully planned shots. The Lumix S9 is always ready. Its small size doesn't mean you have to compromise on performance. It's powerful and portable, just what you need for on-the-go shooting. And with its tilt or free angle touch LCD, this display allows for easy framing and reviewing of your shots from any angle. So, there you have it, the Panasonic Lumix S9, a powerful yet compact full-frame mirrorless camera that's perfect for content creators. Do let us know what you think about this. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.